He who fails to plan, plans to fail. With that being said, on today's video, we are still talking about a very important topic when it comes to being a profitable Forex trader, which is coming up with a very solid trading plan. Because it is your trading plan that will guide you. It's like your GPS, all right? Your trading plan is like your GPS that will guide you from being just a professional Forex trader to being a profitable Forex trader. And talking about a trading plan, on our last video, we already spoke about the four keys, the four keys of a successful trading plan. After the four keys of a successful trading plan, on today's video, I want us to talk about the trading plan checklist. On the trading plan checklist, I want us to talk about the 20 questions which you must answer. So for you to consider your trading plan a solid one, your trading plan must be able to answer these 20 questions which I'm going to give you guys on today's video. So long as your trading plan is able to answer those questions, you are good to go. For sure, you'll be able to make money in Forex trading. For sure, you'll be able to make millions in Forex trading. So if you're hyped and ready for us to get into the video, please smash the like button below and let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Ndemazegalof, and on this channel we talk everything about trading, crypto, business, personal finance and tips to help you stay profitable on a consistent basis. So if this is your first time coming to my channel, do yourself a favor and also do me a favor by smashing the subscribe button below to subscribe to the channel so that you can always be updated once I come up with awesome content like this. So with that being said, let's see what we have on today's video. Good. You can see I say treat trading like a business, not like a gamble. This is very clear. Treat trading, you can see, treat trading as a business. You should consider trading as a business, not coming into trading with a gamble mentality. This is not a gamble. You're not coming here to gamble. So you should treat trading as a business, not just like a gamble. Because if you already know very well that, okay, I have to treat trading like a business, obviously you have a business plan. Not so. When you are starting a business, obviously you need a business plan. The same thing with trading. When you are starting with trading, you need a trading plan. And if you are looking for an angel investor, people used to call angel investors who invest in startup companies. What they look is for a solid business plan. And if you show them your business plan and your business plan is very solid, then they might decide to invest in your company. It's the same thing in Forex trading. If you come up to me and we are talking about Forex trading and you already know how to trade, and you show me your Forex trading plan, you show me your trading plan and I see your trade, because within your trading plan, I'll be able to see how, when, why, the how, the when, everything, the tools, everything, the trading system you will use. I'll be able to find everything in your trading plan because you are able to come up to me with a solid trading plan. And if I see it and I'm convinced, I can be able to fund you. I can be able to give you money to trade. Why? Because I've seen your trading plan and I can already see what you have to do. It's the same thing like having a business plan. All right. So since you want to treat trading as a business, you need to be able to have a solid business plan, which in Forex now, you need to be able to have a solid trading plan. That is why I said if you want to succeed in business, then you have to be able to have a plan that will give you a roadmap to be able to achieve that. You need to be able to have a plan if you want to succeed in business. And remember, we are treating trading as a business. Okay, and then the second point, if you fail to plan, just like in any other business, if you don't have a solid rock plan, there is no way you'll be able to plan, execute, and be successful in that business. The last point, on the third point, a clear trading plan forces accountability and responsibility. This is what I want you to take it out from this point. A clear trading plan forces accountability. So you are held accountable for all the losers, or you are held accountable for any trade which you place. And for you to be able to be held accountable, you need to be able to have a solid trading plan. That is why I said a clear trading plan forces accountability. forces accountability and responsibility. You should be able to, you should be held accountable if you place a losing trade. Don't try to ask another person. You should be able to have full control over your money, and by the time you're having full control over your money, you should be held accountable for any trade that you place. You should be able to, you should be held accountable and responsible. You should be responsible for any trade which you place, which sometimes may lead to a change in a plan. So since you're the person who is held accountable and you're responsible for your trading, sometimes you might have a change in plan, or you might also have some tweaking or some tweaking in your trading plan. So you should be flexible enough. So you won't be able to be flexible enough if you don't have a trading plan. So you should be very, very flexible to know when your trading plan is no more working, to know when you need to make some tweakings, you need to make some small tweaks in your trading plan, to know when you need to adjust your trading plan. So that is what I'm talking about, flexibility. Good. Now let's go to what I call 20 trading plan questions for you to come up with a trading plan that will help you to make money in Forex trading. My people, believe me, the trading plan must be able to answer all these 20 questions, all right? Your trading plan must be able to answer all these 20 questions. Let's start with the first question. What is your motivation for wanting to be a Forex trader? We already covered that. So you should even, what is your motivation for wanting to be a Forex trader? Do you just want to be a Forex trader because of the excitement and because it is challenging? No. If you are just doing this because of the excitement, then I prefer you should go and do parachuting. Go and jump from a plane, all right? If you are just coming to Forex trading because of the hype, because of the vibe, because of the excitement, because it is challenging, go and do something like parachuting or jumping from a plane or another thing. All right. So be able to have clear reasons why you want to be, or your motivation, your why, your motivation for wanting to be a Forex trader. The second point: what are your expectations? Yes. What are your expectations? Then we already spoke about your motivation. And then, what are your weaknesses? So you should be able to know your weaknesses. Maybe you're somebody who can't stay focused for too long. Maybe you're somebody who you can't take a loss lightly. There are some people that when they have a loss in Forex trading, it is actually suicidal for them. People like that shouldn't be trading Forex, because at a point in time, you're going to encounter one loss or the other, all right? And you learn from those losses. That is why in Forex trading, you never lose. It's either you win or you end. If you place a trade that doesn't go your way, then you learn lessons from that particular trade that will help you to make millions tomorrow. So you have to be able to check your weaknesses. What are your weaknesses? All right. Then what are your strengths? My strength. But let me just say, okay, maybe your strength is at least you have a good risk appetite. You have big risk tolerance. At least if you place a trade and it doesn't go your way, you know that okay, you can bear that. With that strength, you can bear that loss. You can be able to accommodate that loss. Maybe that's your strength. Or maybe another strength you have is you can be multitasking. You can be working on your 9-to-5 job while dedicating ample amount of time to still be trading in Forex, or to still be learning how to trade in Forex. That is another person's strength. Then another question which you also need to ask yourself: how do you overcome your weaknesses and leverage your strength? One of your weaknesses is you can't take a loss lightly, or anytime you have a loss in Forex trading, it is very suicidal for you. So how do you encounter something like that? So that one is personal. That one is personal. You need to be able to come up with how, or with solutions, or with ways in which you can be able to overcome your trading weaknesses. Now you have strength. Maybe you have strength. How can you be able to leverage on that strength? All right. How can you be able to leverage on that strength so that you can be able to double down? How can you double down on that strength or leverage that particular strength? That is the next question you need to answer in your trading plan. Then the next question: what will separate you from the 90% of all retail Forex traders who fail? All right. So the next question now is, what will separate you? Everybody wants to be a Forex trader because there is money in Forex. You can make $1 million in Forex trading within a minute, within this. Everybody likes saying that. Everybody wants to be a Forex trader. Bet. What will separate you from the 90% of all Forex traders who blow 90% of their account balance in the first 90 days of trading? That is called the 90-90-90 rule. So what will exclude you from the 90-90 rule? So you should be able to ask yourself that question. And you shouldn't tell me, if I ask you what will separate you from all the other traders, don't tell me hard work. because everybody is hardworking. All right, everybody is hardworking. Everybody who is coming into forex trading is hardworking. So if you tell me hard work, then I just know you don't have any solid plan in place. So you should be able to have points. You should be able to have points in your trading plan that gives you a direct guide on how you'll be able to exclude yourself from the 90% of losers. Maybe you're going to be able to do the opposite of what they do. Maybe you're going to be able to know that, okay, you need to be able to accept the risks in forex trading. It's all depend to you and it's all subjective. The next question which you need to ask is, what assets or markets do you want to trade? Maybe you're just starting. I see people, they just start in forex. They want to trade forex, they want to be trading indices at the same time, they want to be trading metals at the same time, they want to be trading stocks. Those are different classes of assets. And if you're just starting and you're just so confused, you want to be trading everything, you want to be jack of all trade and master of none, then you won't be able to succeed in forex trading. So state it very clearly in your trading plan what market or what assets you're going to trade. For me, when I started, I just stick on forex. When I learned how to trade forex, I can then trade other assets. I can then start trading other assets like cryptos, like stocks, like other things. So state clearly in your trading plan what asset or what market you're going to be trading. The next question which need to be answered on your trading plan: how much time can you devote to trading? All right, so how much time can you dedicate for trading? It's also based on individual. So based on your 9-to-5 job, how much time can you be able to dedicate, can you be able to devote to trading? So also answer that question very, very clearly on your trading plan. And then what type of trader are you? All right, what type of trader are you, and what is your trading style? Do you plan to scalp, day trade, swing? So also state it very clearly in your trading plan. What type of trader are you? According to your time availability and your lifestyle. According to your time availability and lifestyle. Do you want to be a scalper? Do you want to be a day trader? Do you want to be a swing trader? Do you want to be a position trader? State it very, very clearly on your trading plan. So answer that question on your trading plan as well. And then let's go to the next question. I think this is the number 7 question you also have to answer on your trading plan. You say, if the trading style you have, all right, if the trading style you have choose is a reflection or the amount of time you have devoted in trading. So is the trading time you have choose a reflection of the time you have available for trading? You can't have a 9-to-5 job that within the day you won't have time and you go and choose that you want to be a scalper. You are just fooling yourself around, because at the end of the day you won't have time to trade. As a scalper, you need to be glued to your computer, you need to be glued to your screens. Or if you are a day trader and you're even using the lower time frame like the 15-minute, 30-minute, you still need to be glued to your screen. All right. So based on based on your lifestyle, based on the lifestyle and the amount of time you have that you can devote for trading, is your trading style a reflection of that? So your trading style, whether to be a scalper, a day trader, whatsoever, should reflect the time you have available for trading. All right, it should reflect the time you have available for trading. Then the next question is, at what time throughout the day and week are you actually available to trade? So at what time within the week or within the day will you be available to trade? And if you will be available at that time, what markets will be trading? What sessions will you be trading? What pairs will you be trading? That also has to be answered. Then what trading system or strategy will you be using? I've taught you guys on this channel alone, I've taught you guys more than 9 strategies already. Talking about news trading or fundamental trading, I've taught you guys 3 strategies already. The strategy, the directional bias strategy, and the Golub fundamental correction strategy. All those strategies are already on the website. Then talking about technical trading and price action trading, I've taught you guys more than 6 different strategies. You have the Fibonacci, the support and resistance, trend trading, channel trading, pivot point. All those strategies are also candlestick patterns and all of that. They are on the channel. I've taught you guys all of that already. So you state it very, very clearly in your trading plan what strategy or what system will you be using to trade. Remember, a trading strategy is part of a trading plan, not the other way around. All right. If we have this circle like this and we have another circle inside, I'll have my trading strategy. You have your trading strategy inside a trading plan. All right, so a trading strategy is part of your trading plan. So you state very clearly in your trading plan what strategy you'll be using to trade. All right, so if you're going to have 10 different strategies, then you need to have 10 different trading plans for those strategies. Like, if this happened, I'll do this. If this happened, I'll do this. If this happened, I'll do this. That is just the use of a trading plan. The next question is, how will you know if your trading system or strategy is not more working? That is the next question you also have to answer on your trading plan. How will you even know if your trading system or strategy is not more working, so that you can do some tweakings, you can do some changes, or if you need to change the system completely. So you also need to answer that question in your trading plan. Then after you identify that your trading system is not more working, what will you do? You see, so that is another question you also need to answer. After you have identified that your trading system is not more working, what are you going to do? Are you going to do some changes? Are you going to do some tweakings? Are you going to do some modifications, or will you abandon the system completely? And if you want to do some modifications or some tweakings, how are you going to do it? That question too has to still be answered in detail in your trading plan. Then what trading software or tools are you going to be using? We already spoke about that. Talking about trading tools, you must use an ECN broker. You must look for a computer. You can't say you'll be successful for this. You're just using a phone. You're just lying to yourself. You look for a computer. Then based on other strategies that you are using, there are other tools you might need. Like if you are trading the news, you need other websites like investing.com. You need Forex calculator. You need time.is. So those are just different tools that you might need based on which strategy you have. You need to also write that very, very clearly on your trading plan. Let's go. Remember, this is number 10. We're talking about the 20 questions. Let's go to the number 11 question. The 11th question is, which broker will you be using to trade? Talking about which broker will you be using to trade, we already made a video talking about how to choose the best broker. So answer that question very clearly, which broker you'll be using. And if you want to use the same broker I use, then check the video description below to be able to sign up with IC Market so that you can be able to have the same benefit. Perfect. The next question, how much money do you plan to start trading with? How much can you afford to lose? All right. How much can you afford to lose? How much can you afford to start as your risk capital or as your trading capital? Also write that very clearly. Then the next question, is this money an amount that you can afford to lose? Now you've stated very clearly that, okay, I'll be fine starting with $1,000. Perfect. Is this $1,000 you want to start with an amount you can afford to lose without losing or without losing your house, without losing your car, without losing your internet, your electricity, without even losing your spouse or your children? All right. So is this money you can afford to lose? That is the next question you have to answer. Is this money you can afford to lose? If it's no, then don't even attempt trading with that money, because you blow that money, you lose that money at a point in time. It's called the trading fees. When you're just starting in Forex trading, that is very imminent to happen. So if you ask yourself this question and the answer is no, then don't start trading. Go back to your demo account and make sure you keep practicing until any amount you want to start trading with. You should start with something you can afford to lose, something which is something you can lose without killing yourself, without losing your house, without losing your car, without losing your rent, your electricity, your groceries. Perfect. Then do you plan to add money? Remember, all the questions are added. They are added up, one question after the other. Good. Since you have already accepted the amount you want to start with, now you've also accepted the fact that you can afford to lose that money. Now, do you plan to add more money to your trading account if your first account are not successful? And if yes, how will you add the money and where will the money come from? Write it very clearly in your trading plan. If yes, where will the money come from? Good. Next question. If you are profitable, or when you finally start making profits in Forex, do you plan to reinvest profits or withdraw some or all of your profits? So now we're already talking about money. All right. So you should be able to answer that question and answer it very, very clearly. Since we're already talking about you being profitable, if you finally, when you start making money in Forex, do you plan to reinvest those profits? Do you plan to withdraw some or all of your profit, or do you plan on just leaving it there to accumulate or to compound? So everything is left on your court, and you should be able to answer that question as well on your trading plan. So let's go to the last 5 questions. All right. Okay, that was those were the last 5 questions. So with that being said, guys, these are the 20 questions. These are the 20 questions which you must, it's a must, you must be able to answer this question in your trading plan. For your trading plan to be a solid rock trading plan, after having the 4 keys of a successful trading plan, you should also be able to answer these 20 questions that I've just mentioned in your trading plan. When you've understood the 4 keys of a successful Forex trader, and you've also answered these 20 questions very clearly without judging or without fighting, that means you've also genuinely answered all these 20 questions. Trust me, you'll be able to have a solid rock trading plan. And with a solid rock trading plan comes discipline. And with discipline, you'll be able to start making money as a profitable Forex trader. So with that being said, if you want to hear from me one-on-one, make sure you check my Patreon link below. On Patreon, we share ideas, we share trading ideas, we share analysis, we share even crypto, which crypto to buy, how to invest in crypto, and we also do occasional live Zoom sessions with me one-on-one. So if you want to hear from me one-on-one, make sure you check my Patreon link below to join me on Discord. You can also join my free Telegram channel, and you can also add me on Instagram. And if you want to use the same broker I use, make sure you check the link below to be able to sign up with the same Forex broker I use. Smash the like button on the video, my people. Let's get the video to at least 5,000 likes. So make sure you smash the like button below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you already know what to do. Please smash the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel. Also follow the videos which I'm going to leave at the end of the screen, because those videos are related to the same topic. So watch those videos which watch the video which is coming after this. Until then, I will see you guys on another video. Peace.